everybody. I'm Rudrani, and of course, I'm at Filmfare OTT Awards 2025, and with a proud producer who's come here looking absolutely fantastic. And can you can you look at her? Can you look at her? Congratulations, Richa! What a moment.
Thank you. I'm so thrilled. Uh, one is for best film, one is for best director. We also won best actress for Preeti Panigrahi and best supporting actor for Kanni Kustuti. Amazing stuff. My first producer award. I hope there are many more, and just happy to be here.
What an important film this was. I spoke to her, of course, and she was so excited, so full of life. Of course, I saw it when it came out, and I told you also about it. Such an important film. I love the film. I will say it again. And I think it was, like I said, I think it's such an important film, and the fact that you're winning award for this film, I think, definitely highlights the fact that you have to believe in stories being told for women, about women, by women. And I think this is one of the examples that we need to have such more stories.
Yeah, I am also, I want to say that I've been to many film fairs. I won my first film fair for Gangs of Wasipur, Best Actress in a critics category. But what's amazing is because this is an OTT award, I saw a lot of amazing films win. Like Stolen won 6 awards tonight. Black Current won so many awards. Patal Lok won. Tilottama, Sanya. A lot of people who would otherwise not win Best Actor or Balan. It's just lovely that it's leveled the playing field to some extent. Of course, films are films, but in these times of flux, when we are still figuring out like theatricals and web films, this is just fantastic.
Well, I'll let you go. But before that, I'd like to say, I was asking this question. As artists, you also want to protect your art in the climate that we are in. What do you think, as artists, that we should do to protect the art that we want to create, to tell stories that we want to tell without it being misconstrued?
I think you should have the freedom to say whatever you want. And in society, I think the only difference between like an autocratic society and a democratic society is your ability to have that freedom. So it's essentially a freedom war for culture. So we have to preserve this culture of telling stories, of telling important stories, and stories that are tender and joyful. In this, like, I think this in itself is a kind of quiet rebellion in these testosterone heavy times to tell these stories.
I have terrific artists who obviously have the black lady in their hand, and that's pretty much what you want at the end of this night. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I know this is not the validation that you ask for, but it's always nice to get that, isn't it?
Absolutely.
But tell me what the importance of the goals to get it for a project like this. And yeah, for both of you.
I think for me, because it's the first time I've directed something and I was trusted with something like this. So getting any kind of feedback, including this, is really awesome.
I mean, for me, obviously, for reasons because it's my dad, it's Salim Uncle. I'm a huge fan of their work. I'm a writer. I know what it takes to put something down, and what they did is beyond what I can imagine achieving. They are just incredible men, and they needed to be put on tape and archived, and people needed to know their story. They both had a hard story, and I think it was what lent to their work. And she did a great job piecing that together and keeping them together. So kudos to her. And it's a special one. It's a special one for all of us. I mean, and I share this with their Salman Khan films and Excel Entertainment, and so it's nice that we all came together.
Of course, I'll end it by asking you this. You know, it's great when short films, documentaries get the kind of respect that they deserve. Of course, we know all over the world they are celebrated, but it's always nice. Like, for example, Filmfare doing it. We have so many stories to tell that are beyond just fiction, and I feel you all have proved once again that it is true.
It was also a really amazing story of these two people coming out of nowhere and then making it so big that nobody yet has made it bigger than them. So it was really a fabulous story. Really, I mean, it had all the ingredients of a Hindi film. Yeah, I would say that, yes.
Same, same. There's nothing more to say.
Of course. Once again, congratulations, both of you, and have a wonderful night ahead. Thank you. To be celebrating the winners, the actors who have given such incredible performances. Of course, Zahan Kapoor is among them. What a show, and it has been getting so much love for a year, more than a year now. Almost like in the beginning, you all came in, and it continues. this is a validation for sure. But it
Huge validation. Oh my God. Uh, Thank you, Filmfare. Thank you, to the jury, to the people who voted and got me, shortlisted in the nominations. It's very, very special.
this is such a brave choice, like they always call it, right? Because this is such a character that you don't often get written, and the way you've played it, in the silences, and the way Vikram wrote it, I think everything comes together. And also, when you get an award like this for a character like this, it also gives, I think, wings to actors like you to not fit in the box, continue experimenting.
Oh, yes, yes. I think it's unconventional choices, unconventional decisions that were being made to get this story told. Not just as actors, directors. Giving chances to new directors, choosing topics that don't seem like they would work. Also, a lot of people are like, "Arey, really? ये कहानी बनानी है क्यों?" So it's a big testimony to collaboration and faith in collaborating.
So how does Zahan Kapoor go and celebrate after winning and having such a big night?
A good night's sleep. I think I will
No one
say.
dedicating this award to anybody else?
I dedicated to every single person who has, like, every person I've ever interacted with has contributed to my life, has been a reflection of me, and some version of that has resulted in me being who I am today. So thank you, everyone.